leave a mark on your skin. I really didn't want, and you don't know how to use it. Like it may feel a little intimidating. This thing works. Surprisingly, it does work. Hi everyone, it's been over a month, I would say even closer to 2 months since I've used this device to remove my skin tag on my neck. As you can see, or maybe not, I have a lot of skin tags. And I first started with one just to see if this gonna work and not gonna damage my skin. I was, pretty skeptical about this device. I bought it for around $50 on Amazon, so it was not super expensive, but it had very good reviews and it looked like it could work. I was looking at a few different products to remove skin tags. Some of them were creams and some of them were other products which I saw that would leave a mark on your skin. I really didn't want it, especially that, I want to remove skin tags on my neck, so it's a pretty visible area and I really didn't want to, leave any darker spots on my skin. I just wanted to get rid of skin tags. So, like I said, it's been around 2 months since I used the device. Around here, I'm gonna show you clips to show you before and after, and I gotta say, this thing worked.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Yep, they turn partially blue.
Ooh, how cool. And now what?
Apply immediately. Okay. Is it cold?
Yes.
10 seconds left.
Cool. Yeah, I can definitely feel it.
Blue again. Very good. Oh, I didn't start the timer.
It's white, right?
Mm-hmm. But I don't like that your surrounding skin is also white.
Oh my god, stop scaring me.
It's probably fine, but this is why I didn't like the idea of doing this.
This is how the skin tag looks like after a day. It's definitely more dark than before. It's been 6 days, almost a week after I attempted to remove the skin tag, and I can definitely see that it's slowly coming off. I don't know if you can see it, but I definitely today I felt it. It was kind of itchy. So I hope it's coming off. This is how it looks right now. It's pretty dark, and the skin area here is also dark, but hopefully it's gonna lighten up later. So this is the situation. Day 6. when I first used this device, my skin, actually the skin tag turned black, and they say that your skin tag will turn black, so you don't have to worry about it. It means that it worked. But also the skin around the skin tag also got darker, which was a little worrying for me, because I thought I did something wrong, like maybe, I touched the skin and I shouldn't. I should just touch the skin tag, but I have very small skin tags, so it's very hard to grab it with this device, like, to be super precise, basically. But after around a week, it was actually like closer to, like, I would say 8 days, the skin tag fell off. For the first few days, it was just darker, but it didn't really, I didn't see any results part of that, like it wasn't falling off. But after 7 days, I started to feel like the skin tag started to separate more from my skin. And then around I think it was 8th or 9th day, then the skin tag completely fell off. And as you can see, or maybe not, I'm gonna show you close-up clips. You can see that now there is like nothing here. The skin is pretty smooth and there is no skin tag. This thing works. Surprisingly, it does work. It is pretty scary, like when you first use it and you don't know how to use it. Like it may feel a little intimidating. So it's good to ask a friend or a spouse to just help you with that, especially if you're using this device, somewhere you can clearly see, like your neck. If you would be doing on your skin, on your arm here, like it's a lot easier probably. So yeah, just ask a friend or someone to help you with this. But yeah, this doesn't take long. You basically just have to put little pads inside of the device. Maybe I'm gonna show you. This is the device. As you can see, it's pretty small. And this is the instruction how to use it. They also attach like a little LCD display to just show you how to use it, which is pretty neat. Yeah, you feel like you get your money's worth when you buy this, because like you get the whole kit. So in conclusion, this thing actually works and I'm very happy with the results. My skin is smooth, it's not darker, it's not damaged, didn't leave a mark, and that's what I wanted. I just wanted to get rid of the skin tag without any side effects, and this thing did it. So actually today I'm planning to use this device on all the other skin tags I have around my neck, just to get rid of them all. So the only con I can see with this device is that it only removes up to 10 skin tags. So if you want to get rid of more skin tags, you would need to repurchase the whole kit. I will try to see if you can just repurchase just the treatment pad, so you can, load the device and you wouldn't have to, buy the whole kit. But I'm not sure if you can do it. It seems pretty wasteful if you can only use it for, 10 skin tags, and then you have to, get rid of the whole kit and buy a new one. I don't know. I mean, usually people don't have more than 10 skin tags, I guess, I assume. I don't know. I'm gonna have 3 more here, and I think 1 or 2 on this side, so hopefully it's gonna be enough if I'm not gonna mess it up. But yeah, we'll see. That's my plan. So I'm gonna probably record another follow-up video just to update you guys how this device worked on the other skin tags. But so far so good. I'm pretty happy with the results I got with this device. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon next video. Bye bye.